Hello everyone, just to get a quick recap of last week, March 29th to April 2nd, 21st, because Friday, really there's no market, as you know, it was Good Friday, and um, and also what to look forward on the month of April. Market slip Monday after rebound from previous Friday. On Tuesday, Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 closed lower with Nasdaq went up 1.54% ahead of planned spending package. Stock affected by the echoes linked the sell-off such as Wacom, CBS, Simple VIAC, and some Chinese stock. However, VIAC still ended a week much lower at $44.64 compared to previous Friday. Wednesday's stock mixed prior to Biden infrastructure plan announcement. A moderate rebuttable result for the end of 2024 first quarter with S&P 500 outperformed with 13.3% return. All indices were end positive due to rebound after selling off from the private equity funds on the previous week. Part of the economic plan focused on digital infrastructure, which is seen as vital to economic growth. Although jobless claims higher than expected, 719,000 last week, Treasury yields edged lower Thursday. The market volume plan and Nasdaq in particular went up by 1.76%. Facebook symbol FB did very well and reached $298.66, getting very close to 52-week high, while Apple symbol APPL also has rebounded to $123. Microsoft racked up gains into the close after winning a 10-year contract from the U.S. Army worth about $22 billion to deliver 120,000 devices and ended Friday at $242.35, very close to 52-week high. The U.S. private sector added 517,000 jobs in March, which was third monthly gain since payroll shrunk in last December. Coursera, symbol COUR, the price is IPO at $33 per share, jumped as high as $56.48 in a week of $45.78, up 37.8%. EV stock were lower previous week and last week in March. Leo and XPeng rebounded, however, after a China-based electric vehicle manufacturer reported strong first quarter delivery figures, which you look at Xpeng and Leo did come back after the sell-off, and then it was dipping a little bit lower, like Xpeng was losing about $4, and then with this news coming back with the momentum, it did come back to $37 closing the week. Chip stock also helped push the broader tech sector following bullish quarterly result from Micro Technology symbol MU. Gold stock rebounded modestly Thursday with gold price ended at $17.23. Overall, the S&P 500 rose 1.18% to close at a record of 4,019.90 in the trading day of Thursday, and Dow Jones ended 33,153.21. Oil prices went up slightly as U.S. weekly inventory slipped by 876,000 barrels last week. And Friday, again, U.S. stock market closed on Friday. However, a stronger than expected job increase in month of March, 916,000 jobs versus Wall Street expected 625,000 jobs were released on Friday and drove all U.S. futures up. Private sector payroll rose 780,000 while government jobs rose 136,000. The U.S. has non-manufacturing ISM factory order and durable good deal for release the coming week. These reports should be strong given robust job growth and acceleration in manufacturing activity and retail sales since people getting the $1,400 and should be spending back in the economy, hopefully. So you will be interested to see how the economy will be leaning the next. While Biden plans should put stimulate the economy with production and labor market, the tax hits could force corporate America to tighten its belt, with some suggesting that stock buyback and dividend will likely continue to absorb the potential tax hit. But this is really difficult to see because they really have both sides. Some were thinking it will be actually strongest supporting market ever, or it will be some shrinking of the activity in the market disappointment on Wall Street due to the increase of tax, and the tax percentage still not known at this point. It could be suggested 28% and currently 21%, or you will end up in between, which is if you're around 24%, I think things will actually look better, which I hope for that's the case because it's better than the market expectation that price in at the current moment. Technology stock are back in action and more good news and momentum continue. I can see some of the stock I have recommended will back to a very good position. And if you bought in a dip a week and a half ago, just remember you may never be able to buy at the very, very bottom. So if you are buying at the, like going down at the highest, you have a good chance of getting at least 10% return. I mean, it all depends on how they shake up this week. 3M, Walmart, Johnson & Johnson, Disney probably solid for stock to own. And then again, retail sector and consumer spending, sector, cruise, airline, restaurant, and retail like Gaps and Target and so on. Those are really good that we think with the economy reopening, they will be beneficiary, and with continued expansion of mortgages and so on, bank will also be benefits as well, and therefore the Morgan Stanley, the Goldman Sachs stock or fund will also be benefit. If there's no negative surprise the month of April, there should be quite a good news that expect them coming with the strong data of spending in the month of April after, like I said, with Biden plan and the 1400, and maybe some people get tax return, and oscillations, which is talk about the volume, which should be increased because in the 2 weeks of the market when it was a dip, volume wasn't as bad unless there was people were selling off, which then you bought back with a rebound with oversold, so will be increased with market stabilizing, increase investors confidence. So futures is up. So typically we don't know yet. Your Monday Asian market will be up, and then you have European market also open up with optimism and positive. Then very likely the U.S. market will also be positive for Monday, which typically Monday will really starting of the week will always kind of look good. Then we will have the momentum continue to bring it through, and celebrating the quick, job data. Then, of course, there are always some concerns, and hopefully the yield curve will stabilize with the range around 1.6-ish, 1.7, which the sell-off was really most said is triggered by it was about time point 0.98%, slightly below 1 to jump to 1.5% with 50% increase all in a sudden. So if the market started slowly absorbing to 1.6 and 1.7 and eventually kind of expected to be at 2.0%, there shouldn't be that much surprise and shock as when excuses that's driving the small cap and international stock or NASDAQ high tech stock in pressure, because I think they're seeing some more buying volume and push the stock up now. So hopefully people will look at it, compare their portfolio, make money. I will do some another video capturing what's going on, with the stock with Commander and next. Have a nice and wonderful week, and all you have. Hope you enjoy the rest of the weekend. Thank you.